Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel World Fashion and Decoration Tour. Today in this video, I am going to show you some Shabby chic style crazy craft decoration ideas. Best crazy craft designs for your dreamy home. Trending and charming, these family rustic flavors have become some of the most popular ways to style the house, from the tabletops to the bedroom. If you like vintage style decorating that it is a little rustic and a little feminine, you will love Shabby chic decor. To get this style in your home, you just need to add some fun accessories. However, you don't have to buy expensive some decor when you can make your own chic accessories for a fraction of the cost. These tireless chic decor ideas are not only affordable but they are easy to complete as well. Ideas for tireless chic decor. Make a chic word out of old book pages. Withers are popular items to decor your home with. However, a pretty word maker made from old book pages is especially Shabby chic. Hangs a word like this above a mantle or any interior decor. It would be especially pretty to decorate with a Christmas time. If you don't have any old book pages, see how you can make your own aged book pages for this data Shabby chic decor project. There is nothing prettier than the construct of floral with an old vintage bucket. Any container that is a little old or shabby is such a perfect way to display flowers if you are decorating in a Shabby chic style. All leathers with chic decor. Two things that I love in Shabby chic decorating and are old leather and distressed picture frames. When you put them together like this, it makes quite a statement. The greenery and glass jar also give a feminine vibe to complete the look. See a Shabby chic pillow. A pretty vintage inspired floral pillow would be a great accent for a Shabby chic space. Pair this with rustic furnishing for a nice contrast. Create a vintage inspired storage bag. This spicy rack is made over and repurposed into a stylish craft storage unit. The graphics and thick bottle labels are enough to dress up any craft room. Create some basic bathroom storage with mason jar. Mason jars painted and distressed with white paint make pretty little storage containers for the bathroom. If you like to see how much soap you have left in a soap container, then leave a soap dispenser, clear and chic floral embellishment. Make a Shabby chic desk photo holder. A vintage wooden threaded spool make a great base for a desk photo holder and add a little leg and some glasses beads for a fun Shabby chic accessory. Make over a dresser in a Shabby chic style. All it takes to transform an old dressers into a Shabby chic beauty is some new paint and decorative knobs. Upcycle a flower pot. Turn any old terracotta flower pot into a pretty Shabby chic decor accent. with some added embellishments and distress paint technique. You would even recognize the old pot. Delectable. If you can combine an old rotted crate and a vintage step ladder, then you can make a tray table like mine. All it takes to transform an old dresser into a submitting beauty is some new paint and decorative knobs. Thanks for watching my videos. Please subscribe my channel and support me. Again, thank you everyone.